Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a repair on a Dodge Viper, and this is the RT10 model, which is the roof comes off. Mine was a GTS that I use on my business card, but this gentleman had the exact same color as mine. I said let me go ahead and make a video of it. I did this repair some time ago, and it was cracked down here at the bottom from an impact. Instead of repairing and then painting the entire bumper, I just kept everything small like I normally do, and I'll eventually just smoke in a blend with the clear coat, but I'll just show you how this whole process works on yellow. Yellow's kind of tricky. Here I have everything sanded down, all the spider cracks and everything ready for primer. I got the primer shot, and that's dry and ready to sand. I got that all sanded down, and everything else is finished off in 600. Getting ready to apply the white, and I'll explain why. The thing about yellow is, on most yellows, it needs a white base under it. Otherwise, the yellow won't pop. If I just try to paint over the primer, I'll probably put 10 coats of yellow on, and it'll have a greenish kind of look to it. So I had to tape everything off to spray the white, and then untape it, and then sand and feather out where the white overspray is, just to get it ready to apply the yellow. And here I have the yellow base coat applied along with the clear coat. I already smoked in a blend over there to the left, right in the center of the bumper, and I'll untape that and buff that blend line off. And there is the finished product. So we didn't have to paint the entire bumper. I was able to do the repair down low, keep it low, and there's no accident claim or something like that on the VIN number. It is a cosmetic repair. So if he goes to sell the car, he can disclose that to whoever's going to buy the car. Most people don't care about if it's a cosmetic touch-up or something like that. They care more if it's on the VIN. They don't like that being tattooed on the VIN number. So this repair took about maybe 4.5 hours or so to complete at the client's home. So if you have any questions about this type of paint repair, or if you have a question about Dodge Vipers, I know a lot about them. I've had one for about 3 years. May end up getting another one here soon. And I'm here to answer any of those questions. Okay, have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Bye.